Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the Fillet command in Autocad software, Salapan software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on Start Drawing from here to open a new drawing area. So the Fillet command is available in the Modify panel over here, this one. So next to the Fillet command, there is a small arrow. If you click on which, you can see few other commands. So in this video, we'll see how the fillet command works. So I'll press the escape key now. So currently we don't have any drawing on the drawing area. So we'll draw some shapes. But before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option turned on. So if it is off, just turn it on. So if you keep the dynamic input option turned on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for the suggestions. So I will draw one rectangle now. And as you can see, we have the sharp corners over here, over here, over here, and over here, right? So the fillet command is used to change the sharp corners into rounded corners. So I'll apply some fillets to these corners. So I'll come to the fillet command now. I click on it. Now it is asking select first object. But before we select any object, just come to the command line and you can see radius over here. So click on it and now enter some value for the fillet radius. So I'll go with 2 unit and I press the enter key. Now you have to select the objects. So it is asking now select the first object. So I'll select this line over here. Now it is asking select second object. So I'll select this line over here. So we have a rounded corner in the place of sharp corner. In the same way, let us try it one more time. So come to the fillet command. Now it is asking select first object, but don't select any object now. Just come to the radius. And as you can see, the previous value we entered is still there. So keep it in mind. The previous value you entered will be saved. So if you want to change, you can change or else you can proceed with the same value. So I'll enter the enter key. Now select the objects. First object, second object. Got it. So this is how we use the fillet command in Autocad software. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.